Hello and welcome to the Season to Sparkle Holiday and Winter release from Honeybee Stamps. This is day 4 and I'm going to start out day 4 with an amazing standalone die set. This is called the Gift Box Die Set. I'm going to take it out of the packaging because when you get it in the packaging, these two large pieces are stacked up. So I'm going to take it out. Here you can see it's still all joined together with those little metal pieces, but you can clip those apart. And there's all the pieces you need here to build a gift box that you can either use for a gift card or a greeting card. So I'm going to get all of this cut out. I'm going to build a little gift box and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and how it works. So here is my little gift box. If you pull off the little lid, you can see there is that long piece there that is perfect for either your gift card, and I have nestled that down into a little spot that you can cut out with some of the dies that are available in that set, or you could leave that little spot totally flat. You can adhere your gift card just to the flat part, or you can cut out that little cubby. You can also leave it flat and just write a little card message on that little part of the die set. And you just insert that right back into that little spot there. So there's a die that's going to cut out the back side of that. That has the flaps that you're going to score and fold up. And then you're going to adhere the front part. There's a die for the front part. There are also dies for both the long and the small little ribbon pieces there. There's a 3-piece little die set that makes the big bow for the decoration of your box. And then there's also a little die that's going to cut the box lid or the little topper there. It's scored in the center, so you can just fold that right over the top of the other die cut. I'm going to do a product spotlight video specifically on this box die set. So watch out on our YouTube channel for that video coming up super soon. Here is Carol's beautiful gift box, and you can see there she's added sparkly ribbon, some of our pattern papers, and a special little something for someone special. And then here is her gift box opened up, and you can see she's tucked a little Apple gift card in there. Perfect for Christmas or birthday. I love this because you could decorate it for any season or any occasion. So birthdays and anniversaries, whatever you'd like. And then here Ilda has done a beautiful gift box with some of our winter dies that you're going to see coming up. Now this standalone die set is called the Stacking Pines dies, and you have been seeing these all week on little sneak peeks here and there because they are so fun to play with, and our design team and myself love them. You can see mine are already clipped apart. I've already used mine. But this is a 4-piece die set. So there's a piece that will cut out one single little part of the tree, 2 parts of the pine tree, and then a triple decker pine tree. And then last but not least is the trunk of the tree, which has embossed lines so you get that wood effect. It's perfect for those little stacking pines. Here Kelly has done a really pretty card. She's done some distress oxides and made it look like snowfall and added that to a card with the Christmas blessings. Here Alba has done a really pretty tone-on-tone effect with that tree there that you see on the far right side. I love how she's added the gold and the little gems as ornaments for her tree. And then Jana has done a really pretty winter scene. I love that she's used the tree without the trunk, added that on snowy hills. She's even put some little ornaments, and then all is calm, all is bright there on the bottom. Now next up is the really fun winter bouquets die. So if you love the fall bouquets from our last release, you're going to love this winter set as well. There is a vessel there in the top right hand corner, or you can make that into a candle. So lots of different ways that you can play with that large cylinder piece there. Of course, there's all those little stacking poinsettias. There's different centers to the flower. So there's the round centers there, and then also a kind of nubby one that you can run through your die machine, and it embosses and cuts so it looks like a different kind of center there. There's pine sprigs and different florals and twigs. There are berries and pine cones and holly leaves. There's also a bow, and then there are 2 different little flames. That way, if you do more than one candle on your project, the flames don't look exactly alike. They're different ones, so you get more of a realistic kind of look there. Here, the owner of Honeybee Stamps, Melissa, has created a fantastically beautiful card using all the dies in that set. She's created a 3-candle set. You can see the little flames there are all different. The stacking poinsettias and the centers of those flowers. Here's a close-up. You can see how beautiful those dies cut. The embossed lines there to make the poinsettias look realistic. The little holly leaves and twigs. I'm just in love with this set. Here, Melissa has done a completely different look with the die set. She has done what was that candle die now into a vase. She's used the crystal prism die set to add a little bit of texture to her vase. She's done white florals with a little bit of inking on the edges, and that's a great close-up of the center of those flowers. So there's just plain circles, and then there's those embossed centers, so you can get the look that you're going for. Here, Emily has done the cutest stocking with a red poinsettia and awesome green holly leaves. And I just love that. So classic Christmas. It's beautiful. And then Keiko has done an amazing like framed design. She's got the beautiful candle there in the center, a lot of white florals and pinks, even pink pine cones and greens. And I just love that with the Christmas blessings added. That beautiful stamp is from this new stamp set called Christmas Blessings. So there are 5 larger stamps in this set. You have Silent Night, Holy Night, Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, the Lord has come, Christmas Blessings, and Jesus is the reason for the season. And then you have 2 smaller little sentiment strips. You have All is Calm, All is Bright, and From Our Family to Yours. There's a coordinating die set that goes along with this as well. I love this die set because it has a few little extras. So you have the 5 dies there on the right side of that set that's going to cut right around those 5 larger stamps. But then you also have 2 fishtail banners that's going to cut that All is Calm, All is Bright, and From Our Family to Yours. And then you have 2 basic scallop shapes. You have a circle and a rectangle. So those are perfect to kind of pair up with those other die cuts. You can layer those, pop those up, stamp those on the basic shapes. So there's lots of different ways that you can use this. Now Jana has done a trio of cards using this stamp set, and I'm in love with all of Jana's card. Here she's used that Silent Night, Holy Night, paired that with the snowflakes. Here she's done a Merry Christmas and paired that with the Crystal Prism cover plate dies. And then another one that Jana has done is Joy to the World, the Lord has come. And I love the kind of modern mix of different stencils and the Snowy Day cover plate die there on the left side. Those are all beautiful cards using this Christmas Blessings stamp set. This next stamp set is called Christ is Born. I'm in love with this stamp set. I love the simple design of the little manger scene here with Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus. It would be so beautiful to color with your Copics or colored pencils. It's just amazing. And I love the sentiments that go with this set. So you have, For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And that comes from Luke 2:11. Love was born in a manger. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let heaven and nature sing. Peace on earth. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. And, O holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. I am in love. I cannot wait to take this out and color that cute little manger scene. There's a coordinating die set that goes with Christ is Born, so it's going to cut all of these pieces separately. So you can layer that up and do a 3-dimensional manger scene. So you have the manger die there, you have that cuts around Mary, Joseph, and the baby Jesus, and then those little kind of funny shaped dies, those cut the trees and the little buildings and things back there in the scene. So you can totally make the whole scene three-dimensional. And then there's also that beautiful star as well. Here are some design team member projects. I'm in love with these, and I love that they've done 2 different styles. So here Carol has done some Copic coloring, and she's added the star and popped that up and cut out the people that are part of the manger scene and kind of added that to make it a little bit textured and 3-dimensional. It's just beautiful and simple at the same time. And then Jana has done like an ink blended background. She did some heat embossing with embossing powder to add the manger and the city scene behind there and the peace on earth sentiment, and then the beautiful watercolored people. I love these. They're so beautiful and perfect for the Christmas season. Now, there's also a Northern Star cover plate die. Now, this is a fun one because you can use this with galaxy backgrounds or Christmas scenes, so it'd be however you wanted to use it. It would also be super fun for celebrations to add just kind of a starry, fun background. Here, Kelly has done a fun galaxy scene and added joy to the world, the Lord has come, out of that Christmas blessing stamp set. And you can see those white, bright stars poking through her background there. And then, of course, Alba used this beautiful starry cover plate for her Santa bee driving his sleigh of honeybees there. I love that one. So super cute, and how creative. All of these products will be found at honeybeestamps.com on October the 13th. Make sure you check the website for all the details.